Okay, everybody, guess what? We're still doing shapes, but that's okay because we've got some fun things to make with our shapes today. And there's a lot of cutting that's involved. So the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need to make sure that you've got some scissors. You need your black roll-up, gold, silver, and yellow. I'm going to help the children in the classroom with a stapler. If you don't have a stapler, you can use your Pritt, and you'll need a piece of ribbon. If you don't have a piece of ribbon, just use a long string of paper, and then you're going to need a paper plate. So what we do is we take our paper plate, and with our black roll-up, and remember we hold it beautifully near the nib, we're going to draw a curved line. Okay, there we are, we're drawing the curved line just like that. So what we're doing is we're making a crescent. Now we need to pick up our scissors, and with our scissors we are going to start to cut along the curve. So you are going to cut along the curve so that you have got a crescent moon. Now to finish off your crescent moon, you are going to color it yellow, and then I had bits of silver shadow on it, and I had some gold swirls that kind of made it look like the cheese. So now we've got the crescent, we need to get the star. So we're going to cut the star again, because this is the day that I'm checking up on your cutting. So we're doing another cutting job. If you hold your scissors in your right hand, remember you're going to cut right, okay? And these are tricky turns. If you hold your scissors in your left hand, then you're going to go left. Don't forget that. So what you do is you cut as carefully as you can, so that you have got your star cut out like that. Now that can go with your crescent because we're going to have a moon and a star. And do you see who this is? Ha ha! Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. This is also quite tricky to cut, but you don't have to go around all these little corners. Look at what I did. I went up, I did go carefully around that leg, and then I went over the tail, and I just skipped those very tricky bits. That's fine to do as well. Okay, so now what we do is we take our Pritt, and we put our Pritt onto the car, onto that long stick of the car, because this car is going to jump over the moon. See what he's doing? He's jumping over the moon. Now what we need to do is we're going to take our piece of ribbon, and we're going to put it down. And remember I said you can either staple it or you can glue it, because I'm working with one hand and the other hand is holding the video. It's much easier for me to just glue it. So I'm going to glue the cow who jumped over the moon onto the red ribbon. And then I'm going to glue my star on a bit further up. And I'll put my star onto, but just like when we did our names the other day, the glue doesn't always stick. I'll double up with a staple for you. And look at that. There we've got hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow who jumped over the moon. Perfect. Good job. Have fun doing it.